Hello everyone and welcome to this unboxing video. Last week I made a video where I talked about building my J.R.R. Tolkien collection from scratch, and this is the edition that I have decided to get. This is the Deluxe edition of The Lord of the Rings by HarperCollins, published in 2021. This is my first time seeing this book, and I wanted to share my first impressions with you all, and I really hope I'm happy with it. But let's see. Let's open up this wonderful box that the book comes in, with the map of Middle-earth, and here you can see the Lord of the Rings Deluxe. So here we have the book out of the box, and the plastic wrapper is off. A first impression, it's very sturdy slipcase, very nice design here. Looking good, but I will say that I will of course make a proper presentation of this book very soon. This is just the first impression. But here we have the leather spine. The leather feels, yeah, not extremely luxurious leather, but it seems to be quite good. But let's open the book. So here we have a cloth, and I can already see that the gilded edges do leave some glitter. Let's see if it's on my fingers as well. Perhaps not. But here we have the front cover, looking quite good. The cloth doesn't feel that great of quality, but it's decent enough. But it's gilded edges fully. That's very stunning. It comes with a ribbon marker. It's let's check the binding. It's a sewn binding, of course. For a price like this, you can't expect anything less. And let's make a quick view inside the book. I will not share all of the aspects of this book in this video, just my initial reactions. We get, is this the King's Letter, I think? Yes. Let's not look at these things. And this is probably... yeah, the map. This book is printed in 2 colors, which is one of the reasons that I was interested in it. And it has all of J.R.R. Tolkien's own original artwork as well. And it's printed here in Italy. And it's not printed by Lego, sadly, so I don't expect the quality to be extremely good, but I hope I will be happy with it. The paper feels quite thin. It's not really cream colored, it's more white, but it's not glossy at least. And there's not much bleed through, it doesn't look like. So that's very good. And let's see how the book opens up. And I can tell instantly that this book opens up very well. Just look at that. Exactly what I wanted. Yeah, the text size isn't that small either, so this is really good. And here's some of the artwork. Now I can see that the artwork is printed on the same paper. Well, not the same paper, it's a bit brighter, a bit more white. You can see the comparison here. Actually, this paper for the text is a bit cream colored. But they printed it on white paper so to make the illustrations more true in color, I assume. But it's still fairly thin paper used for the illustrations. But it's not glossy at least, so. But yeah, overall, this does look pretty good. I can't see anything. Just look at that, printed in 2 colors, so nice. The quality and build seems to be fairly well. The spine is looking lovely. Oh, here's more extra. This is probably the other map. I will not show all of this book in this video, just want to show my initial reaction. And this seems to be a fairly nice edition of The Lord of the Rings. I'm very happy by what I've seen so far. But I will show this book in more detail very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.